you're watching this video, you probably already know how important it is to take photographs after a car wreck. But in this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 types of photographs you need to take so that you can maximize your recovery. The first type of photograph you want to make sure you take after the wreck is of the position of the cars. You want to be able to show where your vehicle was, where the at-fault driver's vehicle was, and any other vehicles that might have been involved in the wreck. That way you have a more accurate picture of how the wreck took place. Picture number 2, you want to show the damage that was done to the vehicle. It's one thing to say that you had a dent on the side of your driver's side door or on the front grille. It's something much more powerful and effective when you can show how large of a dent that was. More importantly, the insurance company is going to try to claim that the damage was minor, so therefore you weren't really hurt. However, if you can show the large impact and the damage it caused to your vehicle, that'll put a stop to that argument. Picture number 3, you want to take a photograph of any visible injuries. That bruise that you have on your face or on your arm or that cut is eventually going to heal by the time this case goes to trial. However, if you take a photograph at the scene of the wreck to show just how hard the car struck you and what injuries you had immediately following the wreck, that will be very, very beneficial and very powerful to show to a jury at trial. Picture number 4, you want to take a photograph of the entire accident scene. You want to show if there was any traffic lights nearby, any stop signs, anything else that would have explained why the defendant collided into your vehicle. It'll also show the defendant's negligence if there's a stop sign that you can show that will be used to prove the defendant ignored the stop sign or disregarded the traffic signal and caused the accident. And finally, picture number 5. You want to take photographs of the entire condition of the road. You want to show if the road was wet or dry, if there was potholes or construction. This is important because a lot of times defendants will try to use distractions as an excuse for why they collided into you. They'll say that they went through the stop sign because there was a tree in front of it and they didn't see it. You have photographs or video of the scene, you can show that what the scene looked like and that the only cause of the accident was the defendant's own negligence. My name is Titus Nichols from Nichols Injury Law. Visit us at nicholsinjury.com or follow us on social media. Thank you.